Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Knowledge Beginners. I'm your teacher Guru and again I'm back with an Clip Studio Paint beginners training number 4. And as you guys know, we learned how to outline in our previous video, and today I'm going to show you how can you get free brushes in Clip Studio Paint. So Clip Studio provides some default brushes which are pretty good to use, but I'm going to show you how you can get some advanced brushes in Clip Studio Paint for free. So alright guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started to the video. Alright, so first we need to open Clip Studio Paint. Now as you can see here, there are some options on the left side of my screen. So click on this option called Manage Materials. Now, as you can see here, there are too many different brushes, 3D models, printed stamp, and lot more. So here you can download any brush you want, like as hairbrush, cloud brush, and a lot more. So if I go to my download sections, these are the brushes which I've already downloaded, and you can also download these brushes, but there are still a lot more brushes which you can download. So this is all for today's video guys. I hope you liked my video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.